Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are well and getting lots of decoration ideas from my channel. Friends, like every time, this time I have brought you new decoration ideas. Today in this video our title is about small bedrooms wallpaper design ideas, living room wall art design ideas. Friends, wallpapers enhances beauty to your walls and living rooms. Walls look very beautiful with the stylish wallpapers. Friends, 3D wallpapers looks also very enhances beauty of your bedrooms. Friends, we should keep our house clean because all people likes neat and clean house. If you are new to our channel, and you want to get all the new and latest videos of home decoration, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to share this video. And please comment in comment box for this video. That's all friends, now I'm going. Take care. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.